supposed to leave it overnight. Okay, so it's 2 days later here, and I'm just gonna take it off here, see what it looks like. The do-rag fell off a few times. Well, last night it fell off once, but I wrapped it around a little bit more. It should be dried up by now, so let's take it off. And then I have to cut out the, see what it looks like there. And then I have to cut off the rubber bands. Put this somewhere. May have to get a knife, not sure. But I think that's what she said. Yeah, they're tied up. Man, I don't want to cut the hair either. I made to put the camera down and do this really. But let me see. So I don't want to cut my hair, but let me see if I can get that. May have to cut it some more. Sort of coming. Well, the good thing is it's slippery, so you can just come out pretty easy. Yeah, piece of my hair got tangled up around it, oh well. Now this, I can sort of see, okay. Yeah, so she said she's not keeping these rubber bands, you know, so I can just cut them. See? And this is my first time, like I said, seeing my hair like this or even having my hair like this tied up or anything, so. No idea what I'm doing. I just know she said I could cut it out. You know, she's not going to keep the rubber bands. There, it comes right out. There may be one more. Oh, yeah. I don't know if you can see it way back here. So I'm probably going to need 2 hands for this one back here. I think. Yeah, there's one right there. Let me do that real quick. Oh, look, I don't know if you can see it. Let me turn this way. So there's a bunch of rubber bands. So, I don't know if you can see it. So, let me get all of those out, and then I'll be right back once I finish getting those out, and I'll try to untangle everything. And it almost looks like, yeah, there's rubber bands in here as well and everything. So it's not just at the base. There's one right there, right there. So I'm just going to get all those out off camera here so I can really focus. Because I'm going to need 2 hands. All right, I'll see you. Yeah, there are like 100 bandanas in my head. I'm struggling taking them all out, but I don't know if you can see them. There's a lot. So I cut some of them, but I'm mostly pulling it and trying to untangle it all. I'll get there. So I've been going at it about 20, 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes now. And So there's some tiny ones in there. I don't know if you can see them. Very tiny rubber bands. And then there are the big rubber bands at the base. Some of these I pretty much torn out, like this one here. Right, so this is one of the big ones. So those come out pretty easy, but then there are these tiny ones here. So yeah, this is all new to me. So this may take like over an hour or two for me to remove all of these. And then I'm trying to go record and I have to go out and do some things too. So, but that's where it's at. Not much progress. Yeah, I'm just, like I said, it's the first time for me, so I'm struggling to like remove these rubber bands. Not used to it at all, but I'll keep going. So this one right here is very difficult to remove. You can see there's a little band-aid right there. That one's difficult to remove. So far, this is where I'm at. Hopefully I can remove this part in here. Like I don't really like parts, but hopefully I can just put it all together and move it back later on. I hope it's not like one side over, and I can put it back together, but I'm leaving this one here open, because if I remove the front ones first, I won't be able to see the back ones. And there's still some rubber bands back here. Like, I don't know if you can see this one here. There's a rubber band in there. But you know, my hair is so thick, that's why I don't like it. My hair is so thick. Thick 4C here. It's annoying. But like, see, I don't know how to get it out without tearing my hair. And I don't want to cut off the ends either, so let me see what I can do. I'm still going with it. So I think I got most of the rubber bands out. Here it is. I think I got most of them out. So there you go. It was difficult. I spent like over 45 minutes to maybe an hour, like trying to remove those rubber bands. There you go.